Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best Blackstone Griddle Stand for the 22-inch model. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor chef or just starting your griddle journey, this stand promises to elevate your cooking experience, literally and figuratively. The Blackstone 5013 Collapsible Tabletop Griddle Stand is designed specifically for the 17 and 22-inch Blackstone tabletop griddles. It's crafted from durable powder-coated steel, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of outdoor cooking while providing a sleek and sturdy platform for your griddle. One of the standout features of this griddle stand is its collapsible design. The legs fold neatly, and the side shelf is removable, making it incredibly easy to transport and store. If you love camping, tailgating, or simply want a convenient griddle setup in your backyard, this portability is a game-changer. No more bulky stands taking up space when you're on the move. Speaking of the side shelf, it's a thoughtful addition that offers extra prep space or a place to set your cooked food before serving. This makes meal prep smoother and keeps your cooking area organized, which is essential when you're managing multiple dishes or ingredients. Another feature worth highlighting is the adjustable legs. Outdoor surfaces can be uneven, but with these legs, you can level the stand to your desired height and ensure a stable cooking surface anywhere you go. Whether you prefer to cook standing up or want a lower setup, you can customize the height for maximum comfort. The overall dimensions of the stand are 42 inches long by 18 inches wide and 28.5 inches high, providing ample room for your griddle and accessories without taking up too much space. Despite its solid construction, it weighs just over 19 pounds, striking a great balance between sturdiness and portability. Assembly is straightforward, and the design focuses on convenience without compromising durability. This stand is a perfect companion for your Blackstone tabletop griddle, enhancing your outdoor cooking by giving you an elevated, stable, and functional platform. In summary, the Blackstone 5013 Griddle Stand brings together durability, portability, and practical features like adjustable legs and a removable side shelf. It's designed to make outdoor cooking easier and more enjoyable wherever your adventures take you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. Catch you in the next video.